If you've updated to macOS Tahoe, you've probably noticed something's missing. Yep, Launchpad is gone. Apple quietly removed it, and now opening apps feels kind of old school again. You either dig through Finder or keep using Spotlight every time. But don't worry, there's a fix. It's called LaunchMe, a free, lightweight app that not only brings Launchpad back, but actually makes it better. Let's check it out. First, let's grab the app. LaunchMe is currently in beta, which means it's available through Apple's Test Flight program. When I click Download on App Store from the LaunchMe website, it takes me to this Test Flight page. The first step is to install Test Flight itself. It's Apple's official way to safely try beta apps. Once that's done, I tap View LaunchMe. App Launcher, Beta. That opens LaunchMe inside Test Flight. From here, I just hit Install, and within a few seconds, boom! LaunchMe is ready in my Applications folder. It's completely safe, and you'll even get early access to all the new features before the public release. When LaunchMe opens, the first thing you'll see is a clean grid of all your apps, folders, and widgets. Everything feels super smooth. And yes, you can tweak pretty much everything you see here. Layout, icons, background, even the blur effect. All customizable. It's like Launchpad, but smarter and more personal. Let's start with the layout. LaunchMe has something called Edit Mode. That's where all the magic happens. In Edit Mode, you can move apps, folders, or widgets anywhere you want. Each icon snaps neatly into a cell so your layout always stays tidy. When you hover over an icon, you'll notice small buttons appear above it. That's where you can rename, customize, or even hide it. Super intuitive. You can also organize apps across pages. Just drag one toward the edge and the next page slides right in. It's perfect if you want to keep your work apps separate from personal ones, or just keep things clean and simple. And here's a neat trick. If your grid feels cluttered, you can hide any app without deleting it. Every icon has a tiny I button in Edit Mode. Once hidden, it disappears from the main layout, but you can still find it anytime using Search. Folders work beautifully too. Just press New Folder, give it a name, and pick the apps you want inside. And if you ever want to change it, open Edit Mode, tap the three dots, and you can rename it, add or remove apps, or delete it entirely. When you delete a folder, the apps inside automatically return to the main grid. Here's something even cooler. You can group apps with files. So, if you've got a work folder, you can link it to your actual project folder from Finder. That way, your tools and your files stay in one place. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. LaunchMe also lets you customize folder icons. You can change the color, add an emoji, or upload your own image to use as a cover. It's a fun way to make your desktop reflect your personality, or just keep folders easy to spot at a glance. Widgets are another nice touch. You can add a clock, notes, or system info right inside LaunchMe. Just hit Add Widget, choose one, and position it anywhere you like in Edit Mode. They fit perfectly into your layout and give it a modern dashboard feel. Now let's talk about appearance. LaunchMe gives you full control over how it looks. You can use your favorite photo as a background, a dynamic wallpaper that changes with time of day, or even a looping video. And if you want to keep it subtle, there's a blur option that adds depth and makes your icons pop. It looks stunning, especially in dark mode. In general settings, you can set a custom hotkey to open or hide LaunchMe instantly. You can also remove the app icon from the dock. Perfect for keeping your desktop minimal. Then in layout settings, you can save your grid or reset it anytime if you want to start fresh. You can even go deeper with icon customization. LaunchMe lets you replace any app icon with your own PNG or JPG image. Square icons around 300 to 500 pixels look best, and smaller file sizes help everything load faster. It's simple, and adds a really personal touch to your setup. And finally, the new clear-colored icons feature. This gives your apps a transparent, glass-like style that adapts automatically to light or dark mode. If any third-party icon doesn't update automatically, you can right-click it and refresh it manually. It's clean, modern, and feels like it was designed by Apple themselves. And that's LaunchMe, a clean, customizable, and genuinely powerful Launchpad alternative for macOS Tahoe. It brings back everything Apple took away and adds so much more. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick macOS tips and app finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.